Digital marketing is constantly evolving, and staying ahead of the curve is essential for success. Today, I'm diving into 5 brand new digital marketing strategies that can elevate your brand and engage your audience like never before. First up, let's talk about interactive content. This isn't just a buzzword, it's a game changer. Think quizzes, polls, and interactive infographics. These formats not only grab attention but also encourage participation. For instance, a quiz that helps users discover their ideal product can lead to higher engagement rates and valuable insights into your audience's preferences. Plus, interactive content is shareable, which means it can extend your reach organically. Next, we have the rise of voice search optimization. With the increasing use of smart speakers and voice assistants, optimizing your content for voice search is crucial. This means focusing on natural language and long-tail keywords. Instead of just targeting best running shoes, you might optimize for what are the best running shoes for flat feet? This shift in strategy can help you capture traffic from voice searches, which are often more conversational and specific. Now, let's explore the power of micro-moments. These are those brief instances when consumers turn to their devices for quick answers or solutions. Capitalizing on these moments means being present with relevant content at the right time. For example, if someone is searching for best coffee near me, having a well-optimized Google My Business listing can make all the difference. It's about being there when your audience needs you most, providing immediate value. Fourth on the list is leveraging user-generated content, or UGC. This strategy not only builds trust, but also fosters community. Encourage your customers to share their experiences with your products on social media. You can create a dedicated hashtag or run a contest to incentivize participation. UGC not only provides authentic content, but also acts as social proof, showing potential customers that real people love your brand. Finally, let's discuss the importance of personalization at scale. With advancements in AI and data analytics, brands can now deliver tailored experiences to their audiences. This goes beyond simply addressing customers by their first names and emails. It involves analyzing user behavior to provide personalized recommendations, targeted ads, and customized content. For example, if a user frequently browses outdoor gear, sending them personalized offers or content related to their interests can significantly boost engagement and conversion rates. These 5 strategies, interactive content, voice search optimization, micro-moments, user-generated content, and personalization at scale, are not just trends. They are essential components of a modern digital marketing strategy. By implementing these tactics, you can create a more engaging and effective marketing approach that resonates with your audience and drives results. Embrace these innovations and watch your brand thrive in the digital landscape.